So over here, I have a site right here, and if I were to actually go ahead and visit this particular site right here, then I got this particular content. So let's say I want to know how my site is performing, and in that case, from my dashboard, I can actually access out my site status. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can click on states, and then over here you will be able to get all of the analytics right here. With the paid version of WordPress, that is the pro version, you'll get more analytics detail, but with the basic.com, you can see the visitors, the insights, and the subscribers that you may have right here. So over here, you can see subscribers over here onto this particular site. And if I were to go around onto Insight, then this is what you have. So you have to unlock it out. But if you want to just view the views right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. And then you can see the views in previous days. Let's say I'm going to go around onto another WordPress site right here. So let's just go ahead and access out this particular site that I have right here. And then let me just open out that site now, and then go around onto the dashboard of that particular site. So now what I can actually do is go around onto the states for that site, and I will be able to see the status for that. So this is a sample website, so you don't really see any data, but you will be able to see all of the details if this is a real site and it is actually performing well. So you can see the subscriber details, the insights, and you can see that I have 4 posts right here on this one. I got 241 words. There's 1 like, 1 comment, and then you get the views, visitors, posts, and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this. Then you can see the all-time insight and everything, and see how the site is actually performing overall. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with site states and then utilize site states inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.